So picture this. You've been using Tailscale for your remote access and mesh network, but you want full control. No third-party servers, no subscriptions. That's where Headscale comes in. It's an open-source version of the Tailscale control plane you can self-host. Here's the good part. Headscale lets you use the same Tailscale clients on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. It gives you full server ownership, avoids cloud lock-in, and appeals especially if you run a home lab or self-host. Here's the caution. Setup isn't plug-and-play. You'll need to manage a server, VPS or your own, handle IP addresses, allow IPv4/IPv6, maintain it, and accept that some advanced features from Tailscale, such as funnel or serve or multi-tailnet support, aren't fully there yet. So does it replace Tailscale? For many tech-savvy users, yes. It's a free, powerful alternative. But for users who just want something works out of box with minimal effort, Tailscale still wins. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.